I have this piece of oak that I'm going to be turning into a pencil holder. I first had to cut off the live edge on the table saw before sending it through the thickness planer. I planed it down to about ½ an inch thick. After the pencil holder was finished, I realized that I probably should have planed it down to ½ of an inch. I used the miter saw to cut two 4-inch pieces. These two pieces were cut into 4 identical pieces with 45-degree angles on each side. I used the masking tape method to glue it all together. I then used way too much Tite Bond 3 and had to spread it out using a putty knife. I cut a square out of the same wood to make the bottom of the box. The next day, I removed all the tape and then sanded it down on the belt sander. Then I finished sanding using my random orbital sander. I finished this off using some Danish oil because I like the way it smells and looks, and you could reapply it at any time. Thanks for watching.